Hi there. I know that often we will take a math class and get to a point in a problem where we are not sure what to do. It's intimidating and it's frustrating. And when it's an online class, we sometimes need that answer so we can move forward with our material. If you get stuck in Math 101 and you are needing assistance immediately, I would really encourage you to check out the tutorial and tutoring options. In your Math 101 class, in your toolbar, click on ePortfolio and Tools. This will open up a page that has multiple tool options for you. One of those tool options is the SmartThinking tool option. You can go ahead and click on that and it will take you to some immediate online tutoring. This is just running a system check. Once you're in the SmartThinking website, you will log in as a student. And again, it will do a system check for you to make sure that your browser is supported. And then once you're in this location here, you will click on Work with a Tutor or a Coach. Or you could also submit a question. It's up to you. When I did it, I wanted to see how this worked. So I clicked on Work with a Tutor or a Career Coach, and this is what I got. I waited for about 2.5 to 3 minutes while a tutor was assigned to my question. And I asked the question at the top here in a kind of a text situation. What can I tell my students about smart thinking? And after about 2 minutes, I had a nice response here. And she told me, or he told me, what the live session was going to be about. And basically, they will work with you step by step, and they will help you by giving hints how to solve the problem. Some nice features about smart thinking. Up here, you're able to capture, like you can screen capture things if you would like to. You're able to put in, where did it go? There was an option for math symbols, and I'm not, oh, there it is right there. So you can put in some math symbols just to help you with your typing. You can change your, this is to put in a text. If you want to put in text right here, there's your arrow key if you want to grab something and move it around. Here's your eraser if you want to erase something. Maybe I can't erase their stuff. Maybe I can only erase my stuff. Oh, yeah. Oh, I can erase their stuff too. There's a line function here, so if you want to draw a straight line of some kind, there's a, wait a minute, where did it go? Oh yes, if I want to, draw a picture and then demonstrate to my tutor that, we need half of something or, a shape of some kind, you can do that. Another thing is this pencil here will allow you to fill something in, or you're able to draw just like you would with a pencil. So if you have a problem, like an algebra problem, and you're putting it in like this, then the tutor can respond back to you using some of these tools as well. These are just going to be able to, let me see here. Yeah, you got your shape with your color. This looks like you can insert a nice grid. And if you want to use a, tell them you're not happy. Oh, wait a minute. Tell them that you're not happy. Hey, I'm not able to get the not happy face. How come? I'm not sure. I got that before. But this is a really handy way of communicating with somebody when your instructor, maybe you've sent an email to your instructor and they are not quite able to get back to you. This is a super way of getting immediate help within 4 or 5 minutes, and then you can compare it with the notes that your instructor also gives you. So I hope you can use the Smart Thinking tutoring resource to really make a difference in your mathematical skill set. And that I just hope that it will really encourage you and give you that boost that you need when you're stuck.